Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Huawei Nova Y61. First of all, you need to open Play Store on Motorola and App Gallery on Huawei. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, download this free app from this developer, and when your app is ready, open it. Firstly, on Motorola, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window, this one, you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now on Huawei, click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then click on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and receive at the bottom of your Huawei. Also on Huawei, tap on the best option for you. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go to your Motorola smartphone. On it, you need to choose all of those dots from all of those categories in order to select all of those files. When you're ready, click on Send next to select it. You can also just click on files that you wish to send. For example, this one photo. Click on Send as well. And from here, select Got it. Now you need to choose the best connection way for you. If you want to, you can scan this QR code using scanning icon on Huawei next to input key. Click on Allow only while in use to allow access to camera, and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key over here instead. And connect those two smartphones by choosing Receive button. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!